With millions of subscribers worldwide and ideally the first platform that you probably think of when it comes to streaming services, Netflix is a big deal. However, it's recently decided to crack down on password sharing and to start charging extra for the benefit so as to increase profits. Needless to say, we're not fans, and as such, we're going to show you the 4 best ways to get past the Netflix ban. Our first tip here is to restrict who you share your account with. The first of these ways, and arguably the simplest for many of us, is to restrict your account sharing to a close circle of friends or family. This is actually advisable as it minimizes the risk of detection by the algorithm that Netflix has put in place. That's because the algorithms look for signs like multiple logins from different locations or excessive simultaneous streaming. And that of course means that it's easier if there's only a few of you using it. If you don't want to get caught, simply all you have to do is share your account exclusively with trusted family members or friends, particularly the ones that reside in your household, obviously. Our second tip here is to sync up streaming schedules. Another important aspect of Netflix's algorithms is that they frequently flag account sharing when multiple streams occur simultaneously, as we just mentioned. To evade detection, you should of course synchronize your streaming times with those who share your account. By ensuring that streaming is not happening simultaneously, you can of course reduce the likelihood of being detected. And our third tip here is to employ a VPN to do the heavy lifting. Now, we've actually done a nifty little video on what you can actually do with a VPN, but they can also be used to help you bypass the ban too. A VPN can also of course be used to get absolutely bargain prices on a streaming service such as Netflix, and we've actually included a lot of information on how you can do that in another video, so make sure you take a look at that in the top right link. A virtual private network, aka VPN, is a valuable tool that conceals your IP address by routing your internet connection through a server in a different geographical location. By utilizing a VPN, you can actually make it appear as if your Netflix account is freeing access from a single location, thus avoiding detection. An example, as you can see here, is us making use of Surfshark VPN to access a server that's located in Turkey, and thus to make it appear that we're actually there. However, we'd simply be using it to access a UK address instead. Several of you would just have to use the same address, obviously. Despite there being numerous VPN services available, including some fab-free options, it's important to know that Netflix actively identifies and bans certain VPNs. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of a VPN in bypassing Netflix's crackdown may vary. And this is because the streaming service platform continuously updates its list of banned VPN services. Just be wary of this when using this tip. Our fourth tip here is to utilize NordVPNs Meshnet feature. In case you have it, NordVPN offers a super handy feature called Meshnet that facilitates the creation of encrypted tunnels between devices. This method, that's known as tunneling, allows multiple individuals to connect through a single IP address, which is the internet address used by Netflix to determine connection locations. In short, by leveraging NordVPN's Meshnet, users can make it appear as if they are connecting from the same IP address as someone else, and that's even if they are physically located in different parts of the world. As an example of this, you can be in a different continent perhaps and make it seem like you're actually connecting from your friend's house. It's even compatible, in fact, with devices like Android TVs. Instead of routing internet traffic through a traditional VPN server, which typically changes your IP address, that's a technique that Netflix attempts to block by maintaining lists of banned VPN servers, then users can simply route their traffic through a device at home, such as with a TV or a laptop. In a nutshell, it ensures that other individuals connected to the same Meshnet will appear to be in the same location. Just be careful, of course, as this may violate Netflix's terms of service, so don't say that we didn't warn you. And for a fifth option, which we actually didn't mention, it might be worth upgrading to a family plan. Netflix provides a premium subscription that permits up to 4 simultaneous streams, all in Ultra HD. Doing so means you can actually legitimately share your account with family members or close friends. However, it also costs £15.99 per month. Notably, since it also requires users to be in the same household, it also won't be suitable for everyone, but it is an option, and it could be much cheaper if you all share the cost between you. And that's it for our guide here. We've gone through some of the best tips and tricks in terms of actually getting past the Netflix ban. There will be, of course, other ways that we've not even thought of, so don't forget to let us know in the comments below what those are. And if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video itself and subscribe to our channel here so you don't miss out on all the very best ways to save. Once again, thanks a lot for watching from Hot UK Deals.